In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage vendor bills in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the full process of entering a bill, reviewing it carefully, and then paying it when you're ready. This is an important workflow if you want to keep track of what your business owes, stay organized with due dates, and maintain accurate records inside QuickBooks Online. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and open your company file. Once you're in, go to the Expenses menu and then select Bills. This is where you can view existing bills and create new ones. From there, click Create Bill. This opens the bill entry screen where you'll record the details from the vendor's invoice. Start by selecting the vendor. Make sure you choose the correct vendor profile so the bill is connected to the right payee and your records remain clean and consistent. Next, enter the terms, bill date, due date, and bill number. These fields are especially useful for tracking payment deadlines and matching the bill to the original invoice from the vendor. Be as accurate as possible here, since these details affect your accounts payable tracking and reporting. After that, add the expense using either category details or item details, depending on how you want to record the transaction. Category details are typically used when assigning the bill directly to an expense account, while item details are useful if you're working with products or services. Choose the option that best fits how your business tracks purchases. Now enter the amount and any other required information. Take a moment to double-check the numbers as you type. Even small entry mistakes can affect your financial reports, so it's a good habit to verify totals before moving on. If needed, you can also add a memo or attach a file. This step is optional, but it can be very helpful for internal notes or for keeping a copy of the original invoice stored with the transaction for easy reference later. Once everything is filled in, review the bill carefully. Look over the vendor name, dates, amount, and coding to make sure everything is correct. A quick review now can save time fixing errors later. When you're satisfied, click Save or choose Save and schedule payment if you already know how and when you want to pay the bill. To pay a bill later, return to Expenses and then Bills. Select the bill you want to pay and then click Schedule Payment or Mark as Paid, depending on your payment method. That's how to manage vendor bills in QuickBooks Online efficiently and accurately.